Welcome to the Culture Convo podcast, the upcoming of greatness. Dango.
On the 16th of June 1976, the streets of Soweto in Johannesburg became a battleground for freedom and equality. Thousands of brave high school students took a stand against the apartheid government's oppressive policies, sparking a pivotal moment in the South African history. Today, for the theme of today, wearing uniform, we're celebrating and remembering the Soweto uprising, which was a courageous act of defiance that changed the course of our nation's story. You are all welcome to another episode of the Culture Convo podcast, and I am Sinovia Mersinjuru, the problematic Mamcete. And as you always know, I'm always with my Ono.
Yo, this is one by different versions and operation Mangbandas and my dame. Yes. And I'm going to over this Miss B. Hello.
Hi guys, and I'm proud to say this episode was proudly sponsored by Nature Plan Water. They sell purified water at Dimbaza Shopping Complex ezivenkileni Kwangaki. They are open on an everyday basis from Monday to Friday.
Yes.
9 to 6. Saturday and Sunday they're open from 9 to 5, and public holidays is 9 to 4. You bring your own container, they refill for you. Also, you can buy their bottled water. Thank you very much, Nature Plan Water.
Yeah, man, I bongo kuyavakala okay, it's the fifth episode.
Yes.
Yeah. And also like sponsor like first sponsor said guys. Yeah. And you've been wondering ukuba kubani kanje lophethe iDimbaza News. Kubani lo kumanda kusho admin approved your post
straight from my inbox.
Uyabona. So apha siniphethele uMr Songezo Njokwana. He's the founder of Privilege Lifestyle brand yakhe, and also oyi admin yaka Facebook. Or you founder, your community builder of the awards. Or you like, or you those needs.
Yeah.
So no put up or West, go to East, and understand. But everyone, please help us welcome Mr. Pablo West.
Thank you. Thank you.
Molobudom.
Molweni.
Yeah. Kunjani? How do you feel?
Siyaphila. I'm so happy to be here.
Yes.
And I understand bendive kusithiwa siyaqala usebenzela kule ndawo namhlanje. And I feel very, very welcome.
Yes.
Yeah. Kushushu apha and atmosphere. I love the atmosphere.
Yes.
Thank you so much for it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Enkosi Bhuti, Mr. Pablo West, i-odogo. Nelungelo oti Bhuti namhlanje because like we have a big man.
Yeah.
I always say when you're big, you big, I beg.
Exactly.
So Bhutwam, sicela usichazele ngawe, who are you, where you from? Take us, get journey yakho from where you began until now. Glenda ukuyo.
Thank you. Igama lami is Chilo nguSongezo wakwaNjokwana, but mostly known as Pablo West.
Yeah.
Ndizalelwe eStaterem kwilali encinci ekuthiwa kuseKhobus, but then pha nge-late 80s we moved to eDimbaza due to the political unrests. That's where I grew up at Dimbaza since the late 80s until and then but as I'm sitting here, I'm currently based in East London, but Dimbaza has always been my home because kulapho ndifunde khona izinto ezininzi. And ke ngoku wherever I go, I always make sure I want to always make sure whatever I do, everything positive ndiqala eDimbaza before I go anywhere else. Yeah, so ngokomsebenzi ndilapha eWalter Sisulu University, ndisebenza kwi-department yakwa fashion, but ke ngoku mna ndilecturisha i-creative design, which is I teach students how to draw, and siphansi kwe-faculty yakwa law and humanities sinayo ne-fine art. Bendla ngotsho pha kwiDimbaza News ndithi abantwana abaphuma ku-grade 12 abafuna ufunda usu bangadibana nam ndibancedise because everybody has to go to school.
Yes.
And yabona apha basibahle sinxibe uniform
Yes.
yesikolo in commemoration of June 16. Thank you so much, guys. Ndikhona eDimbaza in some weekends nxa kwinto and sakuliqala mhlambe ekhaya nezinto that I need to do for my community. But most of the time I'm in East London and I'm also reachable. I can tell abantu baseDimbaza bayazi how to reach me for any assistance they need. Yeah.
On to Dimbaza News. Uthetha ngeDimbaza.
Yes.
And ke ngoku iDimbaza News ndithatha kwigroup yakhe.
Yeah.
It's Dimbaza News. It's a rather sad news for iDimbaza. We have lost 3 November girls. Abantwana bakaNovember abathathu bangamantombazana. They haven't been found. They're still missing. Please help the family. Anyone ubabonileyo, anyone who has something to say ba dimbone dimkeche PPP. Please do contact the November family.
Yes.
Also, silahlekelwe ngusisivuyo lwethu uZweni, naye uyakhangelwa ekhayeni lakhe ngabantu bakwaZweni. Please, if anyone has seen her or knows that bane bekhe wabona obehleli naye, please do. As someone who has also like lost umama like briefly,
Yeah.
I know it's a stress so ba ulahlekelwe ngumuntu and stuff. So please guys, help out these families. Sigqithe Dimbaza News. Sigqithe Dimbaza News.
Alright.
Eastern Cape News ke ngoku ne. Sise Mount Fletcher. There's a guy called Asandiswa. There's a guy who had a girlfriend who is Asandiswa.
Yes.
Ubulele umntana ka Asandiswa no Asandiswa naye wazixhoma. Yes. Yes.
Sikhona isizathu soba zibulale. Ababulale kwabona.
Obabulele in terms of, I think she was Lumona.
Oh.
Lumona.
All right.
Lumona. So he proceeded to hang himself. Yenzeke Mount Fletcher. Then a 12-year-old girl has been raped by 3 men.
Wow.
Same school as Aluna Mdanaye lo usando sweleka ubulewe stepdad wakhe. So these are current news, guys. Mthatha, I'm sure everyone has been seeing that there's floods, there's been bodies that have been in need of identifying and stuff. So guys, cela sibe sensitive xa sithetha nabantu who you never know ba wenza ntoni okanye kwenzeka ntoni ebomini bomuntu
Yeah.
in a day.
Yeah.
Please, guys. On to more lighter news.
Yeah. What's going on?
Serious.
Hey.
Then
Now we're saying.
All right.
Okay, now I want. But okay, it's fine. Sibuyile.
besixelele mos ba it's men's mental health month.
Yes.
Youth
Month. Yeah.
Pride month.
Yeah.
So it was a touch base with men's mental health month, but all of these things have been done by men.
Yeah.
Please, guys.
And it's Father's Day today.
Hey.
Hey,
Oh, happy Father's Day. Kopo taba right.
koba no data.
Father's Day.
Yeah.
That's not
Kopo taba right.
No data.
Because I call
As
out.
relate.
But sorry. Happy Father's Day, guys.
Yeah.
Happy
Thank
Father's
you,
Day,
thank
guys.
you, thank
You're a
you.
man.
Yeah.
Happy Father's Day, producer.
Otherwise, I've seen Putama kwipayo yakho ukuthi you've dressed only duka i-artists zalapha Eastern Cape, oMafapa Vuma, Oliyama Phansi
Yeah.
from Big Brother, Ostoki from Ulenduka from Ogqaberha,
Yeah.
Ophila Madlingozi.
Yeah.
Like many artists, can you tell me through yonke la process, how did you feel? Ibinjani la moment?
Eish, my brother. I think, like I was saying a few minutes ago,
Yeah.
brand, like a privileged lifestyle, ndifundise something. Mna, when I started this brand, ndandinento ethi it will quickly grow. Xa inxitywe zi-celebrities, abantu aba-famous.
Yes.
Until someone told me, but you know what, when I work on your brand, abantu will come by themselves, bazocela ukunxiba le brand. So that's what I did. As a result, Mafapa Vuma, ndimlibele omnye lo phaa kuGqeberha, the girl, apha kweli cala lethu.
Lona.
Lona. Oh, Lona.
Lona
Lona.
Baut.
Oh, Lona.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Olona, naboStoki, including Ohupa, ababe hip hop. There are so many people who came to me, but yes, siyazibona zonke ezi brands, but sicela uassociate nalena yakho.
Yeah.
Because a privileged lifestyle, there's a story behind it. It's not just a clothing brand. If can nibalisela ngeze story, maybe.
My first question was going to be like, yeah, it's there.
Okay, let me quickly tell the story.
Yes.
A privileged lifestyle. Mna, I'm a qualified fashion designer.
Yeah.
I studied fashion. Ne?
Yeah.
Then when I graduated, ndafumana la pressure iti Mfondini, you are done with the fashion. Why don't you start your own brand?
Yes.
But I didn't want to create something that will trend and then die.
Yeah. Okay.
So I waited for the right time, so much that ndazixelela uba ndifuna ucreate a brand that will outlive me, even if mna ansekho, but
Yes.
yona ishiyeke isekhona. You understand? Umzekelo, eli gama lithi privilege, abantu abaninzi bali-associate with negativity. Umzekelo, uthi wena ba ukhule kokwenu kukho yonke into, abantu bavele bathi wena you are privileged.
Yes.
You don't know our pain. You understand? Kuve kuja kuthiwa shut up wena. You are speaking from a point of privilege.
Yeah.
So now what I did, I took the name privilege and I think you know what? All of us were privileged. Because some people are not here today and they wanted to be here.
Yes.
Abanye baphelile zi-drugs, abanye mhlambe zi-accidents, abanye they couldn't go to school. So till now we are privileged. Even when we are waking up in the morning, that's a privilege on its own.
Yes.
You understand? So el gama lithi privilege. If we are spona spelling salo, mna ndisijikile.
Yeah.
Because because umzekelo mna I'm a village guy, ndazalelwa ezilalini.
Okay.
So if you're looking at this word, village ukhona.
Yeah.
And then there's that pre or before.
All right.
Yeah.
Before I got here, mna ndazalelwa
Ezilalini.
ezilalini. You understand?
Makes sense.
And again, a privileged lifestyle in the brand dedicated to people abangajongelwanga ntweni. Like umzekelo, abantu abakhulele ezilalini most of the time soloko sisithi bazibharu forgetting Nelson Mandela, Thabo Mbeki, Ngonolali. You understand? So a privileged lifestyle is not about just a clothing brand. It's something and related to people abarise from the ashes to become great.
Yes.
Like uyabona mos xa sekuthiwa kuphelile ngawe and then you rise again like a phoenix
Like
bird.
a phoenix.
That's why on my logo I have the phoenix bird.
Yeah.
Uyabona? Because bakhona abantu abajongelwa phansi, then when they blow up so thuke sonke hayi man ubantu banjani. Uyabona? So this brand is dedicated to such people and scenarios, especially abantu abajongelwe pha ecaleni abazubanto. You understand? Umzekelo, as I was born ezilalini ndakhulela elokishini. Even apha elokishini bakhona abantu who we look at them singaboni future. Uqonde yona i-drugs zimgqibile. Kanti so even such people wonke umuntu ofilisha into yobana mna I won't be nothing, le brand ndifuna associate to such people abazawuthatha ubomi babo babujike. Uyabona mos i-phoenix bird, it dies, it burns, and then from its ashes it rises again. So that's simply the story behind the name privilege lifestyle. The new lifestyle, obviously, it's everything that we do that is positive for culture. That's why I want people to associate with this brand. Yeah.
No man, I feel like I'm not probably izandla people.
I've heard that you are a creative design lecturer.
Yes. Yes.
To Sisulu University. Can you take us through that? Like, can you walk us through each design process yako when
Okay.
creating new clothing line pa okanye art pieces?
Yes. Okay. Pa kwa fashion, mna I specialize with teaching students how to draw, how to create new designs. That's why ibizwa ngoba creative design. We teach them to become creative. Because umzekelo ndidla ngotsho kwi-students zam ndithi if you draw something that we've seen before, then you haven't done anything.
Yes.
You need to create izinto esazibuza thina, but how did you come up with this?
Yeah.
But because fashion on its own, it's like a circle. Ifana nevili, ziyahamba zisithele ziphinde zibuye, ziphinde zisithele. It's like a never-ending cycle. But so what we do pha esikolweni, we teach them how to draw izinto esizibiza ngoba zi-roughs. Like what's one say, just your ideas. Where is it? This idea coming from? And then from those roughs, we select a few. Maybe the categories by 5. So these are the ones you are going to work with. Then from those roughs, you take example. Isn't just poses like abanodoli.
Oh yes.
So that we can see. Then we even teach you how to draw folds and in a folds.
Yeah.
and you have to understand ubana ifront yempahla kufuneka ihlale kwindawo yayo ungabi nempahla ezigos. And then from there I teach my students to create technical drawings whereby bazosibonisa into bana le liqhosha leplastic okanye lentsimbi le uzip ngoweplastic okanye ngowentsimbi njalo njalo apha kule ndawo izaba ne-measurements ezingakanani. You understand? Xa umuntu eyinxiba uzayivula phi. So you need to understand the technical aspects of fashion, and then from there we take it to abantu ke ngoku abazabafundisa patterns whereby bazosika lamaphepha, and then from lamaphepha kusikwa amalaphu, and then that's where your clothes come. Garments. Yeah.
And you remind me of the kind of new show Project Runway.
I remember.
Alone, and I'm like, okay.
I remember.
Okay. And also I've heard that you are a passionate street culture enthusiast.
Yeah.
What role does street culture play in your creative work?
Street culture, what I like about street culture is honestly include everybody. Umzekelo, you can be an executive awuhlale ku office yakho, but somewhere in you there's an element of street culture. Ndandla ngothi xa ndithetha i-timing ayiyelwa esikolweni, ifundwa estratweni. You understand? So ibonakala ke ngoku even nakuhlobo abantu abanxiba ngalo how they feel about things. Umzekelo ndithanda le June 16 besithetha ngayo in our introduction. If mna ndinxibe i-t-shirt ebhalwe let's say we want to move. Even if I'm saying nothing, I keep quiet. Ndime phaa kwi-picket lines front. Umuntu ondijongileyo uyayazi how I feel. Even if ndithule uyandibona uba ndinomsindo. Just because on my t-shirt kubhalwe andiyindawo. You understand? So i-culture nayo, i-street culture, it goes a very, very long way. And also izinto ezininzi that we see out there, whether zinhle okanye zimbi, iziqala kwi-street culture. Umzekelo nabantwana these days abapha estratweni zikhona izinto abazifundayo ezinhle, zikhona abazifundayo ezi-wrong, ezimbi. Yonke into yenzeka phaa kula culture yasestratweni. Quickly, can I say this? Umzekelo kwi-street culture there's even many themes. Ndingenza umzekelo ngamapantsula, ndenza umzekelo ngabomrapper. Ndenza umzekelo nge-punk, ndenza umzekelo ngezinto nezinye izinto esizibonayo phaa estratweni. Like uyakwazi uzi-expressa through i-culture yakho through i-fashion. You understand? Akho nento njengoba sokubuze xa sikubona uhlobo udresse ngalo, then we associate you with a certain culture. Yeah.
Coming back to Idimbaza, what inspired you about Qalela page, and also what impacts do you hope it has at the community? Okay,
Idimbaza News yona basically I saw other townships zine groups zazo. Ndazibuza hayi man Idimbaza thina sinayo indawo yethu apho sikwaziyo khona ukwenza dialogues, sijonge into ze community yethu, sincokole sincedane. Yeah, but that's the only reason I decided to create Idimbaza News. But then, to my surprise, it grew out of bounds. Like we have kids we assisted through Idimbaza News. Bakwazi ukuya kwi-matric farewells. Abanye saba assisted to buy shoes. There's so many things with Idimbaza News. Yes, because khona jokes abantu nje for bazifinish at home. But over that, it's a very, very serious group for assist a community yethu. Yeah. And iyakhula. I think now we're
my reliable source
on 160,000 followers right now.
Very reliable source of
Miss B?
Nah, you already answered my first question, of which it was like, where does the name Privileged Lifestyle root from and why the spelling? So I'm going to ask you a second question is, why the pseudonym Pablo West?
Pablo West, growing up elokishini benishilo mase ndisuka ezilalini.
Yes.
Abantu abaninzi banento ethi xa ukhulele elokishini uclever kunomuntu wasezilalini. But ke not every time injalo ne. Igama lika Pablo ukhona umuntu esimaziyo sonke ekuthiwa ngu Escobar, Pablo Escobar. Yes, he was doing izinto ezirong ethengisa drugs, but yena I'm inspired by mindset yakhe.
Okay.
And then West is from Kanye West. Kanye West, yena, I'm inspired by his attitude.
Okay.
La attitude iti whatever you say about me, I don't care.
care.
I'm gonna do it. And he's a billionaire. Yabona mos. Ngenxa ye attitude yakhe, because some people abane potential bayoyika. Kanye West yena kamnandi siyamazi. That's why the name Pablo West. And ngamna ke andithandi uveza my real name ku social media, because ndingumuntu a little bit reserved about my private life.
Yeah.
At least if I give you Pablo West, then I can be whoever I want to be.
Yeah.
But ibandi ngusongezo njokwana, then I need to be careful, because that's the real me, and the surname and I share as the parents exam. So I don't want it to be there, because in incidents like social media, wrong or right, in fact. So rather than ndinike abantu la kimi king Pablo West, the reserve my name and my surname. Yeah.
Okay, it's fine.
It's okay.
No. Zanayo.
I was going to say, take us through your brand Privileged Lifestyle. Do you have a team, or do you do everything by yourself, so that if there's any mistake, you don't have like someone to blame, or can you blame my school?
Okay. I don't have a team. I work alone. Alone.
Yeah.
I did try to have people who will work with me, but I found out when we are not sharing the same vision about the brand. Bona, they were in it for the money, the quick cash.
Yeah.
But for me, it's a lifelong thing. A privilege. It's a very, very lifelong thing. And funny, ibe into zawu trender. Yabona mosibekho izikhipa ezibhalwe ungenaphi. African proverb. So with Privileged Lifestyle, I wanted something different, a unique. So I work alone. But ikona if I'm allowed to mention it, a branding company that has been with me since day one. Bandi fundisa how to register my business, how to take care of my finances. They are also branding impahla zam. Yabona mosiba zi brand you. So they are a one-stop shop. I'm not sure if I can say their name.
That's okay.
Bona bafumaneka East London, next to the Quickney Pharmacy. Igama le company yabo Business Creations. Yeah, that's the starting point. So nam brand yam, I was fortunate enough to dibana nabo. Then band bonsa all the ropes until today. Yeah.
Shout out to Kobo.
Business.
Business Creations.
Business Creations, guys.
Yes.
As much as Galoko podcast lina yetu it's a uplifting and lighthearted.
Yeah.
We also try to educate.
Yes.
So don't feel as if you have to.
We
We know what to say. You don't know what to say. Like, I can't
I
say this one.
don't want to abuse the platform to advertise. Yeah.
Nabanye mhlambe babukeleyo bane bafuna uqala ibrands lo usecam kwakho into yafuna uyenza apha ebomini, so
Benke namthiche kwi photo shoot sabo.
Oh, Jesus.
That's hilarious.
very creative. So who knows? She might start something of her own.
Yeah.
Mr. Jack.
yazi ke usually bande mntu othetha kakhulu apha kodwa namhlanje hey hayi so but it's fine. Bengike nabona apha phakathi evikini, I'm not quite sure last week okanye kule iveki, whereby ubhuti Bongani Zweni epostile ukuthi ekhalaza ukuba akafumana support from the community councillors, and so ngoku I do believe efuna ukwenza event tomorrow. But ke akafumani maholo i-councillors zenzele ntoka whatever bayenzayo bafuni.
Yes.
So ndifuna ubuza ke ngoku kuba wena, how did relocating from Dimbaza to East London help you to grow your brand?
Okay. If I can speak kuindaba ka Bongani. Bongani is a good friend of mine. Ndimbukele kwi-Dimbaza News poster izinto ezi positive. I-passion yakhe when it comes to improving ubomi be-youth, ne-involvement yakhe kwizinto ze-talent. I am inspired by him and his never dying spirit. Nantshilo kuye the other day, ndathi xa usenza into entle expect anything.
Yes.
So expect only the positives. Kufuneka uzi-expect ne-negatives. And then ke ngoku it's kudla ngothiwa mos nge-English. It's not about how many times you fall, but it's about how you get up. Ne?
Yes.
Ubongani i-support apha eDimbaza ndiyibukele lanto yenzekayo, but when it comes to politics andithandi uzingena uziqonda inoba niyabona kwiDimbaza News politics, we are not allowing them there. It's only just kancinci because politics is on their nature ziyaxabanisa because zifana ne-religion. Umuntu mosiba unenkolelo yakhe uzofuna overpower izabanye inkolelo. That's why we decided to move kwindaba ze-politics, but ndiyafuna ukuthi indaba yakhe plus ne-development yethu apha eDimbaza ifuna i-political will. Abantu abasezi-ofisini abane-access to i-funds plus nezinye izinto that uBongani needs, ngabo ekufuneka bavule iminyango bamncedise. Yabona, it's not us. Thina we can do so much ngokumpostela izinto zakhe, simmotivate, simnike what we can, and then it ends there. But those who have the keys ngaba basezi-ofisini bamvulele. Otherwise anytime we will support him.
So when how did relocating from Dimbaza to East London help you to grow your business?
These days must siphila kwixesha le-social media.
Yes.
No matter where I am, it doesn't matter as long as on social media ndine kuthiwa yintoni la presence.
Yes.
Abantu beyibona i-brand. Even if ndinomuva to Joburg, i-social media yona izandiveza uba this person ukhona. We understand. So ndidepende kwi-social media kakhulu. Because i-location yam where I am, it doesn't matter as long as the brand is there with social media, because everybody xa eyifuna, it's easy to access me. Bayandi-inboxa, bayandifonela, SMSs, even emails. So it doesn't matter. Ezinye orders bendizifumana ndise-Cape Town, ezinye ndise-Joburg. From people abalapha eDimbaza. And even when I'm in other provinces, I'm able to deliver xa be-order izinto zabo. Yeah.
So okay, talking about before we episode, we talked about the Father's Day. So ndifuna ukubuza wena, how do you feel about the way or fathers are seen nowadays because of COVID? Because of GPV and the crimes and everything, man. How does that make you feel?
It's sad, man. It was sikhona isitori somfana obulele
girlfriend
yakhe.
Girlfriend yakhe ayingomntana
Yeah.
wakhe. Umntana we-girlfriend yakhe.
Yeah,
and then he proceeded to hang himself.
Yeah, it's sad, man, because society by its nature, it only looks at izinto as negative. Izinto as positive ezenziwayo ngodata. You won't see that.
Yeah.
But ma utata kuthiwa oyi-1 ubulele umntana, it will make news. You understand? Yeah. So now I can just say umuntu qha makenze what is positive, because social media is there. If ufuna ubonwa what the positive you are doing, put it to social media, because even as I was negative nazo sizibona ku social media. So it doesn't mean as a right thina masizigcina good. People need to see izinto as positive. Even nathi singodada ungamane usithi hayi abantu mna abantu appreciate. Yes, it's your job to raise your kids. But if you want us to see it, appreciate it, sokuqabela izandla, put it out there. Because abanye abantu bayahlala besithi mina ndenza into right but andifumani support. We don't know.
Asiyazi.
Put it out there. Just like ezi zirongo zifakwa ku social media. Yeah.
So if you're spending time with your kid,
take pictures. Do something. Allow us to motivate. Yeah.
Okay, I've seen ukuthi you've started okanye you're a founder of Community Builder of the Year Awards.
Yes.
So can you tell me about like kwenzeka ntoni pha when it comes to nominations to and where do you usually host it?
Okay. Like I said, Dimbaza News, it grew beyond even my recognition, because I thought it was just going to be in the dialogue. But as we are sitting there, we admin ubukele. izinto zisenziwa ngabantu izinto ezinhle then we felt you know what let us appreciate sibonise into bana siya appreciate lo nto yenzayo keep it up
Yes.
and the only way we could do that kukunika abantu
Awards.
i-certificate because asina sponsor whereby sizawuthi wena xa uwine i-certificate sakho uzawufumana nemali or equipment
Yeah.
to help you do whatever you're doing so for now sikhupha i-certificates at least umuntu uzawukwazi mase usiqhoma kwi-office yakhe okanye kwispace sakhe
Hey.
phaya we're looking at people who are making a difference apha elokishini yabona sizi-admins mose siba yi-5
Okay.
so we get together and then sibeke up everybody even if kuthiwa wenza i-beauty and makeup even if we dance
Yes.
as long as it is positive
Yes.
ithatha itimbaza ibeka emaphini then you are welcome ubana uzinominate even yourself but guys I'm doing this here is my profile then you are welcome thina we will just clap and motivate you yeah
Guys, let's nominate him, man.
Awufuna uzinominate?
Let's nominate him, man.
even you guys
Sicela nisinominate.
you deserve to be there
Yeah.
you deserve it then switch on our way here I never thought when at Timbaza we could have our own
Podcast.
home podcast
Yeah.
this is the first one so you guys deserve everything good that's coming your way
Siyabule.
ndicela nizinominate
Yes.
yes
It's fine.
because anila competition anyway
Ayikho king mos.
I bet Timbaza this is the only podcast the biggest
Yeah. The
I
biggest.
bet Timbaza yeah
So Penny, you had to pen as well question. Let you Benza was what makes privilege lifestyle different from any brand, but you already said, but it's an ongoing. You want like longevity.
yes
Officially, I'm gonna ask you another follow-up question, which was, as an African person, more especially Xhosa,
yes
do you think generational curses are real, or it's all in the mind in terms of success?
in terms of your success
I'll make an example out of my apikaya.
yes
Nankuso ngugogo, because she never found steady employment after 2000 or something like
Yes.
that. Yes, she was very young. She has a master's degree. Yeah, well,
yes
she never got anything. Utinda apply. Now and I wonder that she never worked. My mom doesn't work. My
Yes.
uncle doesn't work.
yes
Ngathi nalapha kum ngoku
Hey.
generational case.
Yeah.
So in terms of success, do you think that, like, is it real or kanye it's all in the mind? People need to get out of la funk yoba no generational case. Mhlambe umuntu unayo potential.
Yes.
Akayihoyi. I just wanted your opinion on that.
Oh, thank you. Undikhumbuza i-opinion kaZex Bantwini. I'm not sure ndiyibukele phi bem-interviewer.
Yeah.
Esithi sometimes it's not easy to make it in life just because there's people who are not opening the doors for you. Umzekelo naye, he's where he is because someone wamvulela wangena like Oskido.
Oh, yeah.
Umzekelo, if you can think of anybody uzawufumanisa into yobana there's someone behind ovela wathi wena ngena, I will open the doors for you. Thina, unfortunately, we have to create our own doors. Bakhona phambi kwethu, we need to kick them by ourselves. Akho mntu uzasivulela. Ndiyayithanda laa nto idla ngothi you've got yourself. We understand. Bona babenalo ixesha labo ogogo. And I don't want to say they didn't do anything. Kamnandi utshilwa wena wathi ufundile une-degree. We understand. But wena ke ngoku andithandi ujonge bona uthi hayi le nto lena i-curse or something. I want you to look at yourself. Forget about them. Bayaliphila ixesha labo. Bayazithatha decisions zabo. We understand. When I focus on you, you don't know, maybe ikhona le nto badla ngoyithetha bathi I will break the cycle. I forgot the English. Yeah. So ndithi mna focus on you, work on yourself. Maybe ezi zinto bona bangakwazanga uzenza wena, you are the one who can.
Yes.
You understand?
One net temper one because it's the same.
Yeah.
Hey, okay.
We've talked when your episode, I think it's the last episode, ne? About men's health.
Men's mental
Yeah.
month.
Yeah, mental health month. And bathetha no Tano Zulu, meaning our guest host bekhona.
Yes.
Uthi ngase abantu like public figures like
Hayi bindini lo.
oh sorry.
No, I'm just saying you
Okay.
take that also like
But again, naku Miss B,
Yeah.
ibinguye. So abexala ngase like public figures abafana nawe
Yes.
Dabongani Izweni.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ngase benze it wena ngokubona kwakho into engenziwa phe Dimbaza just to develop okanye to change mental situation yamadoda.
For me, it goes back to what we were saying a few minutes ago. Into bana Dimbaza ifuna political will. Dimbaza ina potential. There are so many people at Dimbaza are talented. And Timothy, we are talking about men.
Yes.
There are so many guys at Dimbaza who are very, very talented. And you can go xa ungasifumani support just like Uzweni. You will go through a mental state
it's
wrong. Bendibona nye post yakhe ebhale i-frustrations zakhe. I think iqala pha. If politicians could open the doors, basibhildele maybe let's say sports complexes, basibhildele all these things esimandisibhala ngazo kwi-Dimbaza News basiyazibawela for it-Dimbaza. Yeah, understand. Abantu abaninzi, if they could have something to do
in a
mental
day.
health yabo would be safe. It would be saved.
Yes.
So ndifuna ukuthi political will, it plays a very huge role kule ndaba ye-mental state. Even myself, uba bekusithiwa andizifumana ngezo opportunities ndizifumanayo zophangela ndifumana umsebenzi ndingakwazi uafforda to start my own brand, zonke izinto that I'm able to do, maybe I would be in a dark place mentally. But ke ngokuba ndifumene opportunity, I'm trying to say everybody must be given an opportunity to save their mental state.
Yes. So again, nyavakazi, councillors and political parties. Kanisifundele iminyaka.
Guys, please, because the idea I said in the episode was Oputi could get together and try and maybe coach or guide or like in this fellowship thing.
Yeah.
Kuthethwe phayana bathethe abantu mhlambi akayazi bawo ndingancedwa nguba mhlambi ngancedwa nguwe kuncedwe nguJack mhlambi le nto ndiyifunayo mna uJack unayo mana komnye umuntu yabo like a team building type of thing, but ke ngoku ingase ibe amadoda
abafazi.
I like what she's saying.
I remember in the episode I said 90% of men's problems root from women.
Yes. I like what you've just said. Ntima ndiyamkhumbula uSiviwe Mpondo, lona we-Forum House.
Oh yes.
The guy behind the Forum House. uSiviwe, I don't want to use the word unfortunately. He moved to Joburg. Usebenza Joburg permanently. Up at Dimbaza, he did start a boys club, gentlemen's club thingy. But unfortunately, umsebenzi wamfuna Joburg. Ebeyiqalile into whereby ebebiza young boys, zinxibe formal, bafaka amatayi. Bayakhumbula bayohlala pha eMoses Dwebe. Bafike phaya ku-invitwe i-guests ezaba-motivator, zibafundise about life, about sexuality, about kuthiwa yintoni le nto yobugeyi ntoni. I forgot LGBTQ, yeah. But like babafundisa everything ezakwenza because babethetha into yobana young men need to be built from a young age. Bathi bekhula babe bezazi ezinto. Bathi bethatha decisions about their lives. Babe benikiwe i-choices abazawukhetha kuzo. Because ngoku abantwana bakhula nge-freestyle. Umntwana izinto azenzayo uzifunda esitratweni. Akho mntu uthi you don't need to do this. And ke ngoku like as I'm saying, I like what you were suggesting. Xa isithi like obhuti abadala sifundise the young generation, it's better that way.
It's better.
You understand?
Mercy?
I love it. Well, still so fashion wamumbuzo ne. Like gave advice ono inika umuntu oqala oba uziqalela his or her own clothing brand.
Okay. I think it first of all, go to school. Don't just sit there ekhaya which was a fashion brand, because the fashion brand is not about clothes. Into yokugqibela le. Qala kwi-knowledge yakho of types of fabrics.
Yeah.
iqala knowledge yakho yo understand i-market ubana yeyiphi le market you want to target. You can't create idyasi uthi wenzela abantwana abazozinxibesa. Like there's so many things kufuneka uqala understand ba ezimpahla ndizozenza ndizozithengisela abani, lo ndizamthengisela uzazi afforda na unayo imali, uphangela phi, upeya malini, mingaphi iminyaka yakhe, zonke za demographics yebo. So it's not about what you see, it's about what you know. That's why I'm trying to say umuntu ofuna uqala ifashion makaqala esikolweni. It helps a lot ka usenza ibrand yakho ube unayo i-information, because if you don't uzosenza lo sebenza girl ungenaphi zitrende brand yakho. And if you understand the demographics, you'll be okay. Yeah.
Do you think with African family dynamics, can children, when they turn older, inherit hate towards certain family members when those family members are deemed worthless or undeserving by other family members? That is, in terms, I was going to explain again because explain nile.
Okay.
In terms of mhlambe, we have an uncle. Yeah, everyone has that uncle. Also fika endlini anga contribute,
Yes.
but expect to have a plate, no mbani, no anything yabo. So ke ngoku the older person wena ekukhulisayo izawuthi different igama ke ngoku. Mangasebenzisa umangi.
Sebenzisana wethu.
Sithi usino akeva ndo yabo umakhulu uzawukhalaza mhlawumbe usino is older than me.
Yes.
So xa ndikhula mna ndimbona usino no man usino akava
Hayi man.
ngeke xa ubumncinci ubungambona ubumthanda in fact bucapukela kwalanto ba
kuthiwa akava
niyamlwa usino. So ndifuna ndifuna ubuza kuwe ba xa ucinga wena nyani lento inherit hate, is it an African thing or in all family type of?
For me, I think isikolo plays a huge role in that, because ikhona izinto that isikolo maso sikuvula ingqondo.
Yes.
Izinto bongazazi uthi uzazi. Umzekelo, everything happens for a reason. Uba ngaba kuthiwa umakazi wakho uyamcaphukela udabawo, there's a reason. Awunavela nje uvuke sokucaphukela umuntu. Ke mna ke ndidla ngothi ubomi bam bulula and ndiya-enjoya because ndiphila abantu ndibanika i-benefit of the doubt. Umzekelo uba ndiqhela uhlala nani, all four of you, then all of a sudden kuthi qinina nibe rude towards me. I won't just react. Ndizawuqala ndizibuze, hayi bo guys, what is the problem? Even for the second time ndizawuphinda ndithi inoba ikhona into wrong. Because if nina, let's say for an example, nibe rude to me, nam ndivele nibe rude back, then everything is messed up. Kanti nina, maybe you had a problem that I could have listened, siyilungise kakuhle, and then we move on. I-problems ezininzi zikhauzwa by people aba-reacta quick kwizinto ezi-unnecessary. Yabo. Umuntu oyifriend yakho oqala uhamba naye, xa ubona i-change kuye, sumngqama ngom-attacker okanye uthi u-wrong, mnika ixesha, understand, yeah. You'd find out lento ebizwa nixabanisa kuphela i-friendship into nje encinci. But now we are always ready to react.
Because
Ngamaxhosa
there's
kaloku.
so many friendships that ended ngondiva.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Ngondiva.
Exactly.
Mhlambe uJackie ngoku nana sichomene soyi3.
Yes.
Nandibuze wena hayibo sino. Singasathethi noJackie ngoku uthi hayi kaloku uJackie uthendo
Yeah.
Lost ke naye bengekho
Yeah.
so zinyani.
So ubuyela kule question yakho
Ndibuze ke mna ke ba with family like in
Yeah.
terms of family. Do you think abantwana can we stop the idea of inheriting hate, okanye can we teach it in terms of ke ngokuba umntana xa sembona abanyana umalume lo uyamosha angamjongi ngalamehlo kamama okanye kamakhulu lo uthi
uyamosha.
ewe amnike that benefit of the doubt ba maybe they're going through something,
Yeah.
but akathethi
Yes.
so this is why esenza all hlobo.
Yeah.
That's why.
But what if unikwa i-chances ezininzi uba makathethe but hatha kananto abe still esaqhubeka kanala ndlela behave hey. No, like serious. Bakhona
What's
abantu
your
abanje
opinion?
benzele yonke into benzele esigezweni.
Yeah.
I feel like when it comes to men, it's land your mental health.
Yeah.
Because the nalando because I said last episode, irresponsibilities amazofana zikasino umzekelo.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Because umna ndizofila ukuthi ndiyazama lento qombe manje ndiyazama ukwenza this akuvuleki ndiyazama ukwenza this akuvuleki but nina since nibona ngaphandle they usually say ukuthi it always looks easy when you're looking at the outside.
Yeah.
Yabo because bangambona abantu ba uJack awuJack usenza izinto yonke into yabona wenza everything but abayazi ba uJack into ona go through yona inona makenze into ethile. So I learned that I feel like iqala kulanto ye mental health. Yabo because thina as mhlambi umalume lowo udishana into ezithile mama okanye umakhulu akamboni udishana into andiyazi yeah.
And even Tina as Africans, uhlobo esikhuliswe ngalo plays a role.
Yes.
Kwezinto that we don't understand. Umzekelo, ekhaya masikhola nto ithi you don't talk back to abantu abadala. And I'm trying to get to lando ithi xa kukho umuntu omdala omoshayo kokwenu when you are the kid you are watching. Sinento sinefear instilwa by our parents bona umuntu omdala umquestion umuntu omdala umjonge emehlweni umuntu omdala awuthethe yabona kufuneka ujonge ezantsi and awugqibeli wena uthethe yabona zazinto eziya yes zona zi right but no positive no negative. As a result that's why these days umntana athi xa abuse ngumuntu omdala ufumanisa uba umntana akathethi because ufundiswe into yobana emntwini omdala you don't talk you understand. Umntana akakwazi ukuthi hayi okanye stop because uxelwe laa nto ithi whatever umuntu omdala ayenzayo kufuneka umyeke ungathethi back. Ukakane ngoko these days
but generation yethu asithetha back it.
Yes.
Have you met the generation yama-2K?
So ihlobo esikhuliswe ngalo nayo role ebangela kube njalo ufumanisa uba umuntu uyambona uyamosha but uyoyika uthetha. You understand but ke ndiyavuya xa usithi niyathetha ni.
Ndizawubuza ke ukuba with this culture yama-2K,
Yes.
like born free, just born free. Is it Gen Z? Born free, Gen Z.
Yeah.
Do you think we are that bad as the media portrays us to be?
You guys are being failed by us. Sithi abanifeyilele igeneration yethu. Siyanifeyila. Siyandifeyila.
But like go Facebook, bayakhalaza.
Ama-2K.
2K that yabo. So ilana ndibola does he think that are we that wild?
Thina siyanifeyila umzekelo usisi we-80s would go out with umntana wakhe bayetywaleni.
Yes.
Umntana omncinci wema-oil 2K uyakwazi ukuthi kumama wakhe yo mama namhlanje andifuni esikoleni mama athi okay mntana is fine. Kanti thina wawufaka induku wawungayibuzi noyibuzi into yobheka esikolweni nokondlula ibhedi yayingaxoxisi noxoxisi. These days abantwana bathi don't shout at me don't avale icango athi umzali makangene erumini yakhe thina hayi sasingayenzi. So ndithi thina we are failing you guys ngohlobo lokuba bendihlele the other day ndicinga ndisithe kodwa abantu begeneration yam abafuna ukunikezela to ama-2K. Ndibona egroove kugcwele iintanga zam. So ndiyazibuza kutheni bengasuki kungena ama-2K. Exactly. So ke ngoku laa nto thina siyiqapheli into yobana still imosha nina because ndicinga ukusela it's cool. Ukutshaya it's cool because niyibona apha kuthi sisela sonke kanti thina during our days uprincipal wasithi xa umbona etown utshintshe direction kanti ngoku abantwana bethu batshomana noprincipal as a result balale nabo because they become comfortable.
Too much.
Thina kwixesha lethu wawusithi ubona umiss uhambe etown utshintshe direction you understand because uyamoyika andithi into yomoyika umuntu right how ndizama ukuthi uyam over respecta. You understand these days is very very different. It's very different.
And coming to elicala busithi bana ama-2K afailwa i-generation yenu ne. Let's say umzali wakho ngowe-7
which is Gen X.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. And then ke ngoku uyafunda as ba ufunda uyambonisa mama ndifundele into enje yabo athi no bendikubawulela into ethile mna bendikubawulela into ethile okanye uthi mama ndenza into ethile ngoku umbona uba okay ufuna wenze le ayifunayo akayiboni le uza nayo ingathi irongo luza nayo but when isiza nemali lento uza nayo kungona ibonayo ba
I think
why bethuna why nisenza lento for that
Sebabna nisebenza university. I've seen so many cases zalento uyichoyo ne. Bakhona abantwana ufumanisa ba lo ulapha kwa fashion but akabelongi apha. Wa applyelwa ngusisi wakhe which is usisi wakhe wamthathela decision yobana nansi course uzoyenza. So vele ufumanisa ba lona shem xa umbuza athi hayi ma nda applyelwa ngubhuti. Which means zanga ifumana opportunity azikhethele ba ufuna ufunda ntoni. We understand. And ke ngoku bayaphila ngale fashion. Bathi ngabazali kabe babona bathi oh okay because the fashion design is the only course kuzo zonke uthi xa uphuma uyigqibile ugraduate ube sewusebenza uzisebenzela ezinye courses awuqeshwanga there's nothing you can do uzawuphuma ucaqamele langa but ifashion yona asoze uthi awunanto yokwenza wenze ifashion but ba wenze human resource kuthi akho company eqeshileyo what are you going to do well.
And I think I've heard ukuthi I do believe back in the days fashion ayinto yabantu abangomama.
That's a stigma.
Female based thing. So how do you think males enter the industry and indlela abaphathwa ngayo ngoku? Ingaba ikhona ipolitics ezikhoyo in the fashion industry ingaba azinto singaziboniyo thina outside?
Right now andiyavuya kukho technology has helped a lot. Umzekelo dala mosobo ibona fashion ngelapho ngeempahleni qha there was nothing you can read okanye uyibone ku social media uqonde ndiyayifuna lento nami ndiyayithanda. You understand these days ifashion awubone just as into ezincithwe nglamuntu uyafunda ngazo ufumanisa batyini mna andizithandi kakhulu impahla mandenze izihlangu. You still belong to the fashion industry. Uba uthi awuyithanda impahla nezihlangu mawenze bags you still belong kule industry. No, even if wenze hats even if wenze jewelry we understand. So there are so many things. Dala it was only fabrics. We understand. Umzekelo bendithathe i-second year students zam ndazise-Joburg badibana nomuntu unosiso wenza izihlangu from scratch. We understand. Abanye bayothuka ba hayi man ifashion mina bengicimba ngamalaphu. Kanti kwi-fashion there are so many things even chairs. Yabona la nto yokhavarisha izitulo wenze ideco yonke le nto. Yes. So there are so many things. Ayikho ngolando kuthiwe ifashion is about amalaphu.
Yes.
Kanti amalaphu kunyanisile associate nosis. Gogo there are so many opportunities and things to do.
In the circle mbuzo yi-1 ke ka check ba for abafana who would like to be in the fashion industry but banabazala banesa stigma so ba hey fashion into yamantombazana ufuna ntoni apho wena sixelele khona what would you say to motivate them to like stand their ground and say no mama no tata I want to do fashion and I'm boldly say ndimile ndiphelile.
I think abazali ndiyaba understand mina abazali. Abazali most yabo babefuna sibe ngo-doctor, i-lawyers,
police
or nurse. We understand. Even myself, when I studied the fashion, ekhaya babethi and then but bayabona ngokuba I can support them ngale fashion.
Okay.
We understand. Umzekelo fashion when it comes to men there are so many things you can do. Ungamxelela nomzali wakho uthi hayi mama andikho sempahleni mina sehlangweni. Hayi mama andikho sehlangweni ndikwi-bags ndikwi-hats there are so many things you can do with fashion. We are even teaching our kids to do jewelry kwa fashion, even if flip-flops, everything. So it's not always about amalaphu. Xa usithi ufuna ufunda fashion, you can even be a fashion buyer. You can be a pattern creator or a pattern maker. You can be a stylist. Uyabona naba bantu bame pha kwi-shop efesteren. You can even do that job. We specialize in unxibisa abanopopi. There are so many things you can do.
Like our parents are so backwards. The only fashion designers they know. Besides that, abanye bazi mhlambe uHart Kotsea, uSwenki Jerry, the stylist, David Tlale. yabona bonke abantu ndibamentionayo babelonga kwi-LGBTQIA society. So bazawuthi ke ngoku uthetha nge-fashion baqonde
And then
on to such news. Pride Month, Budo.
Yeah, man.
Pride Month.
Yeah, it's Pride Month. Talking about the society. Mna bendizibuza about how does your brand look to accommodate
LGBTQIA.
society in terms of branding them, of dressing
Kanye
them.
being an ally.
Yeah,
It's when it's June.
yeah.
Because it's Pride Month.
Now, yeah. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Unkomuza something. When I started the brand, I was approached by the society. Ndiyawalibala la LPG. Yeah.
Kuku A kaloku asexual. I is in.
Wow.
Yabona
T is transsexual.
Yeah.
So baris labagama. Kaloku plus kusekho nabanye abangapha
Yeah.
plus. Yeah.
I think I'm fortunate enough. Apho ndisebenza khona kwa fashion, I have colleagues ezibelonga
Close society.
kula society, so I'm comfortable working amongst them.
Okay.
And there are so many things abandifundise zona ndibone into yobana hayi man, we are all human. Akho nto itheni. You understand? And ke ngoku xa ucomfortable wena about yourself, you will never be uncomfortable around other people unless you are not sure about yourself. If uyazazi bosubungibani, then you are fine. You are fine. Bendisathi ke ndikhe ndasebenza nabo on my brand.
Okay.
Bendinazo ii-t-shirts endandizibrandile ezazibhalwe Pride Month. Uziqonda lophi welogo yam lo wayenguphi ka-Pride. We understand. Even the colors we were using, is rainbow colors. So it was a very successful range.
That's very nice.
Sweaters and is designed for them since Babinala Pride Month, and I was very excited to be part of it.
yeah.
Yeah.
We siyavuya xa kukho abantu abangootata who are straight and that are in
Yeah.
support of LGBTQIA
Yes.
plus society, because recently in Komani there was a member of that society that was brutally murdered by
Wow.
straight men. Besithi abayifuni le nto ayenzayo. Akayi kuthi chomi. Yeah, they hated that.
Wow.
So we are very proud to say that apha eTimbaza noko gay murderers are very
Yeah.
few.
Yeah.
Khona.
And there's
And I'm also inspired by history sika Tasechek. I'm sure Nemas.
yes.
Utasechek naye went through something like that.
Yes.
Apho waye athekwe khona ngenxa ye-sexuality yakhe.
Yeah.
But yena ke, I love him. Wavela wayijika into a fashion range. Wenza ezabhilo. Inaba niyazikhumbula namaqamelo
You know
yakhe.
those pillows. Yeah.
Zazisithini kanene zazibhalwe bandincedeni or something.
Yeah.
So wavela wenza imali out of that horror.
tragedy.
He went.
Yeah, that's very nice. Mr. Producer, say.
It's still good. Oh.
Mr. Jack.
Oh, okay, it's
Mercy.
Hi, man. So, Buti, what qualities do you think are essential for a successful entrepreneur? Can you lead?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Timaza News.
Also got the privilege and all of that.
Prior, you just have to be firm and fair. Usiqinisa isandla esikweli cala esingapha usiyekelele. Because abanye abantu badla ngokhuza ba ingene njani le post up. Ndibe ndiqonda mina ndifuna abantu babone ubana ezinye izinto abantu abathi go through zona ayizonto ezi-serious all the time. Sikhona izinto ezi-light ufumazi ba we can laugh about it. So iDimaza News, like I was saying, uqala kwethu kuncokola, it's just a platform for ukuyunite iDimbaza. So if izinto ezipostwayo pha ziyasincedisa to unite iDimbaza noyikhulisa iDimbaza, then I'm fine. I stress non-stress la page. I stress it through.
Admin, please approve.
Please approve.
Yeah, bro.
Uba ndonibonisa izinto esizideclinayo.
And actually when bekhona mibandibuza ba when how do you feel ngabe admin ifresh njani xa because before sesibona za posters
Yeah, zukufika admin.
whereby ufike kwezigigaba bakomntu liqholo inhloko kwathi okanye how does
How
that
do you
make you feel?
feel? Those graphic content,
Yeah. Fortunately, Facebook xa ungu-admin uyakunika i-option yobana uzivule or not i-pictures. Abantu mos xa beposta i-pictures bakhona ne-caption.
Ne-caption.
So uyakwazi ufunda just i-caption
Maybe I miss
and then
money.
decide.
Yeah.
Uvele ibeke ecaleni.
please.
Yabo.
Slides.
But again, the problem we have kwi-Dimbaza News yile yaba bantu bemali esheshayo. Yabona umkhulu bani.
Umkhulu and they comment ke bona.
Hayi ke.
And so those comments on every post.
No.
I feel like abantu go sebeyazi man, but it's
Yeah.
not a real
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
Because what are the comments?
The Facebook person.
And into emnandi ngo-Facebook ngeDimbaza News i-community yethu yeDimbaza iyasincedisa as admins. Sabhala pha sathi xa kukho umuntu oposte into emasikizi mention her.
Yes.
Because since admins is by 5 asizosoloko sefowunini all the time. So abantu bayenza loo nto xa bebona ipost erongo amention i-admin immediately siyidelete sibhlokhe lo mntu lo beyiposte. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
So you spoke about into yesikolo and education. There's imkhumbuzo apha endinayo hlezi ndinayo apha engqondweni yami ukuthi ingaba if you have a talent and then we have talents and then there's education.
Yes.
Do you think ukuthi even if I have a talent nayo but unfortunately I can't reach qualifications to reach certain requirements babangene kuba mandofundela into ethile. So do you think loo nto ingaba iyandibamba okanye
Kwi-fashion, we have the opportunity that is offered by the university.
Yes.
Umzekelo, well, last year, there was a student, kwa-fashion sithatha abantu abane-maths, ne-English.
yes.
Then if you don't have i-maths ne-English, sijonga i-home economics, okanye i-art, if you did art, maybe at high school, okanye elsewhere. But even though you may not qualify nge-maths, because ifuna u-2 kwi-maths lit, and then ibe ngu-3 kwi-straight maths, yeah, pure maths, ne?
Yes.
So if you don't have la maths, we give you the opportunity to collect izinto obuzenza. Let's say ubuthunga kokwini. Uzijoshela ne-art yakho, uziphathele i-evidence.
Yes.
Yobana wena uyayithanda nyani fashion. So kasi ibiza sithi portfolio of evidence.
Yes.
Yeah.
Usibonise ba mina bendihlala nomama besithunga nazi impahla endizenzileyo. Nancy art, like if unezinto ezi-related kwi-fashion that you were doing, siyakunika the opportunity to present them good, then sikujaje ngazo instead of i-mathematics plus your English.
Yes.
Yeah, but ke yona ke it's a drilling process because you need to prove it. Bazenziwe
Yes,
nguwe.
yeah.
You won't just give us it, sure.
Okay.
He's like, in front of his
Siyakubiza uzozenza.
Yo, bekwi hot seat.
Because abanye abantu bavela ba emntwini athandezele i-portfolio.
Ngxaki lapha.
Yeah, or ayothatha izinto zomuntu wayefunda kwenye university azozenza ezakhe apha kuthi. So thina sikunika umajini uthi masubuthunga.
Yes.
Nakho
Go
umajini.
Yo.
Uthi budrowisha nali phepha nazi crayons kasenze. Yabo. And then ke ngoku if upasile phaya ihamba ke iya to higher structures zase university.
Yes.
Your approval phezulu.
Yes.
It's not just into easy. Usinike lanto sokuthatha. Doesn't work like that.
Naye wenza ubuza kwicala le-relationships is always that guy. I'm that guy. But this question is more in tune with your work. I gather that you're a very busy person.
Yes.
There's school, you're a teacher, there's the brand that needs to be taken care of. Do you have a specific other? Onyamezele yonke le nto. Uzawuthi, hayi, ndiyathunga ngoku ndiyoprintisa izikipa. Yo.
Yeah. Yes. And it's been how many years? How many?
Yeah,
My high school sweetheart since 1997.
1919 though.
Una 29, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
Okay, 29
hayi
years.
ngumtshato locked
I'm locked, so, and I'm not available.
Yeah.
Oh, hayi ke banda.
ingaphazamisi
Into
Bazofuna ungena.
Bayamazi.
yeah
Bayamazi.
Sisabamazi
Nina
singabantu.
bangamazi.
lost.
Hayi.
Okay.
so yeah so mna I wanted to ask man ukuthi umuntu xa ufuna collaborate with your brand wenza njani, what steps funeka azihambile, what requirements funeka azihambile? Umzekelo, if like I personally ndinguJack ndifuna uba i-model of your brand ndingenza njani, what qualifications do I need?
Ndim kodwa befuna ubuza le question uba mna xa ndifuna ucollaborate nani zeziphi steps mna xa ndifuna umcebisa nina
Thina loko sizi models.
Yeah.
Nasi. And we
Yeah.
ndifuna xa nipresenta ninxibe ibrand yam.
Please.
Okay.
please we
Okay.
beg, I beg Mr. Producer.
Are we ready?
I need water.
We beg.
I would appreciate that opportunity
yes,
because
Yeah.
the platform I think ibrand yam can associate with.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At least I said those are snacks.
Yeah.
No, you're more than welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, we'll speak about it.
Yeah. According to Bavindaba zethu.
But according
No, that is
Yeah.
Go to get next time can rockele brand from head to toe.
Yeah.
Please,
Yeah.
man.
please.
Yeah.
It will happen.
Yeah.
Sizoti, this episode was proudly
Was-
sponsored by Privilege Life.
Yeah.
Nature Plan
Yeah.
Water.
Yeah.
Before the ameni sizes zenu.
Okay. No problem.
Small.
No problem.
Extra
So
small.
Budi,
Yeah.
is there anything ongathanda basiyazi sonke ngawe?
Gawe.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mna
About you.
yo. Mna ndiyimbiza a melting pot. Ikuthiwa yintoni imutsi wakho xa kudityaniswe izinto ezininzi in one.
Yeah.
I'm shy. Very, very shy. Ndiyakwazi uhlala endaweni ebengathi andikho kodwa ndikhona. But when I get comfortable,
Yeah, but
or maybe it's because I'm an Aquarius. So thina si reserved, but xa si comfortable, then we become ourselves. Into endifuna niyazi about me endiqondayo uba abantu out there they don't know. I'm a very good artist. I'm a visual artist. Not le iye esikolweni. I'm gifted with drawing.
Oh.
Umzekelo, when I got my job eWusu, it was offered to me. Yayikhona i-position. Then they couldn't think of anybody else but me. While I was in Cape Town studying, kodwa there's an opportunity for you to come and work. Uzofundisa abanye abantwana what you can do. Because kubonile thina during the years you were here, ubona what you are capable of doing. So I was that lucky person. Ndidla ngothi ebantwini izinto when they are meant for you akho nto izoma phambi kwakho. Umzekelo, if namhlanje bekusithiwa le mini le iza kwenzeka sawuhlala apha sonke, ayikho into ebizayinqanda loo nto leyo. But if there was into ebizayinqanda, then it means it was not the right time. I-problem yethu thina as people sifuna izinto zenzeke ngelethu ixesha. Uba ufuna imali uyifuna ngoku. Kanti imali kufuneka uyifumane ngexesha layo, not ngelakho. Because uba uyifuna ngelakho, ungayifumani ngoku, then you'll become frustrated. Uye kwi-depression, uthini, uzibone ungumntu obroke. Kanti imali izawuza kuwe ngelayo ixesha. Problem yethu thina sifuna izinto zenzeke ngelethu, not ngelikaThixo. uThixo uyayazi uba wena in 2 years to come uzawuba yimillionaire. Stay put kulo poverty. You understand? Thina sifuna ukwenza ngelethu ixesha instead of ixesha lazo izinto. Yeah.
I'm still rolling off the question yakho na legacy no ibuyelelana but it's the same thing. Benza kubuza ba before your brand reaches heights of LV, Balenciaga and stuff, before it's our Balenciaga, what would like indona abantu ofuna bayazi ngawe ba before be famous bona before be nemali guys
Ndingumntu nje.
ndikumntwana nje ningothuki xa nemali so before your brand reaches heights what would you like
I'll always want to help people. I won't change that even if nobody don't be millionaire. Nobody can donate. I hate seeing people abantu abasokolayo. Especially if there's something I can do about it. Yeah, but obviously most of the time I can't save everybody.
Yes.
But bakhona abantu who can stand and say mna ngoku ndiyindoda ndoluka through donations ezazi elidishwa nguPablo. Bakhona a bunch of them. Bakhona nabantwana who went to matric farewell. Bafumana everything they needed. Nge charity drive that was driven by me. So ndizama ukuthi even if could be famous, I will always help people. Yeah, but Nani, as we are sitting here, in my mind, I can't stop it. It's working, but thing and do it. How can they help?
Yeah.
Because the audio, no, Mr. Producer.
Yeah.
There's people in my mind and back thing who can sponsor you. Guys, know that you guys need. Yeah, but obviously it depends on Kubo. I can only play my role. But there's this thing. Ibe i-decision yabo andifuni ukuthi wena wawuthe uzasiphathe
you proof
so everywhere I go ndingumntu onjalo even if kuthi gqi umntwana inboxele banza bane-matric farewell ingqondo yami immediately seyicinga abantu who are going to help
you
ukhona nawo kufuneka ndimfunele imoto ufuna i-grand entrance kwi-matric farewell ngoku ndiyacinga masayifumana i-posh organize i-posh because uthe ufuna i-posh so ingqondo yam all the time I need to help people.
thina singayi ku-matric dance
uyazi bethu i-matric farewell sasinxibe full uniform thina zazingavumelekanga ilokhwe nemoto nedina nehotele nentonto yaphelela lapha esikolweni yeah sane-disco later on kwakhona kuthiwa i-hi-fi sajiva phaa eholweni then sagoda because no-principal wethu believed ba iya-discriminate
yes
indaba Louis Vuitton dresses and everybody must be equal.
Principal wakho ayengutitsha uBosman?
Yes, Bosman. The late Mr. Bosman. Yes.
Mr. Bosman. Yeah.
Yeah, now I believe about let's all be equal. Yeah.
Thina sasibe nayo inyanga ngenxa ye-COVID.
Yes.
COVID
Yo. So Budi, I think this is the last question ezakum.
yes
What can we expect from you going forward?
Going forward. If I can say kwi brand privilege lifestyle, you can expect impahla of a different level. I'm selling sweaters, hoodies, t-shirts, track pants. Right now, I think the brand is famous enough for me to step it up a bit. When I introduced these sweaters and t-shirts, understand, but there's this brand around. So now I feel it's time. I studied the fashion, from scratch, custom made. I can make even dresses, coats, shorts, everything. So I feel now introduce the brand because they know the brand. So now it's time for the EPCs as a custom.
Couture level.
Yeah.
Sino? Hey!
And then
portfolios
and then besides the privileged lifestyle, itimbaza bakhona abantu who need uncedo. Bakhona inbox yami igcwele abanye ndingakwazi nozifunda baninzi. So into entsha ezayo ukubana qha ndizawuzama kangonako to help our people.
Yeah.
Apha eDimbaza. Ndiyababona abapha surrounding areas. Nabo they belong apha eDimbaza. Yeah.
no yeah ukhona imbuzo okay no I feel like uphendule yonke imibuzo besinayo hopefully nayo bebukele mhlawumbe khona umbuzo benawo for
Comment
below if unombuzo And also I just want to take this opportunity ndibulele bhutam
Thank you.
because uzile apha ngexesha lakho ngepetrol yakho
Yeah.
Hey,
waza apha wazoba nathi.
Yes.
You're one of the first
big
big
I beg you.
big guests zethu.
that we
Thank
have.
you,
and
guys.
appreciate
And
that.
appreciate ukuthi ukuba uzile. And
Thank
actually
you.
abantu bazoyazi uba ngoku ngubani kanti lo Pablo West.
The tall black guy.
Ubutiti the tall hey man. Bazoba tall wethu.
Yebo.
Okay.
And we do hope ukuthi singakwazi usebenzisana nawe way forward. And actually mna as hlezi ndiwishela abantu into ezinhle. I wish ukuthi noThixo andise apha
Akwandise.
Thank you.
because it's not it is not easy ukunceda abantu.
Thank you.
Working with abantu ngento enzima. I know ngoku ndimncinci kangaka but into yosebenza nabantu it's a very hard job. But makakwandisele your patience, uthando lwakho, imali yakho, everything.
Thank you
And
so
I
much.
do believe into ebalulekileyo kukuzithoba
Yes.
yonke kuphithi kuyo yonke into because kuthiwa nobongane honors ngane doctor
Yes.
but if when are humble enough you can be anything you want to be.
Thank you.
Oh, Mr. J.
Yes. That's serious.
May I
But we
reply?
never
Yes.
May I reply?
Yes.
reply.
Guys, ndicela uthatha le opportunity to wish you guys all the best.
Thank you.
Benditshilo on our way here ndathi i-podcast yenu it is going to be one of the biggest apha kule region yethu
Yes.
because benke ndava ibingulo busithi abanye abantu they have negative comments.
Yes.
Benditshilo ke during our conversation ngixelele akanasifuba benditshilo on our conversation into yobana if into yakho iyanconywa qha you should know there's something wrong about it. I-negative comments zibalulekile because instead of bana zibe ziyachitha uzithathe uzenze building blocks.
Yes.
Yabona into emnandi ngobomi uba ubusengxakini okanye kuthethwa kakubi ngawo that could be motivation for other people. Uthi yazi mina guys makwakusithiwa i-podcast yethu ayisoziye ndawo look where we are ube umotivate someone who's trying to create their own podcast motivate with your kwakwakutrackwa kwakho ngabantu bathetha into ezinegative uthi nathi we thought izofeyila into yethu but look at us.
Yes.
Uthathe laa nto umotivate ngayo omnye umntu ofuna ukwenza i-podcast. You understand? So I wish you guys all the best. Thank you for the opportunity. Driving from East London, ndize apha, it was worth it. It was worth it.
Yes.
Siyabulela futhi ngamazwi akho enkuthazo. And we never end the episode without saying our word of the day. So
Enkosi.
Miss Mercy.
Kaloku kuthiwa mbengakabuleli nami mos.
Bulela
Ngabuleli.
Producer
I'm sorry. Zaba quick. Uthi again. Thank you for blessing us in presence yakho apha.
Yes.
You are very big and we respect you kakhulu apha eDimbaza yabo.
kakhulu.
Andiyazi manje ndingabulela thini but enkosi wami omkhulu.
Thank you.
Sithemba basingabona likhulu nakuwe ubheka phambili.
Thank you.
Nawubone kakhulu ukuthi ukubheka phambili. And also nakubantu guys abafana bazifihlayo babanezakhono zokwenza izinto nezinye izinto nangubhuti ukhona. Yeah. Thank you, Bhuti.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys.
Can you take
Word of the day, my girl.
And you
Like I
and
always say, like,
Yes.
stay true to yourself. Phakama uzivuthulule. Nyuke uveze amaphupho akho. Yeah, that's all.
Word of the day.
before your words of the day, any last words? Like mhlawumbe ndingakuvaleli bakhona abantu abafuna baplaga khona ndifuna ubhekisa kubo.
Mhlawumbe how can they reach you on social media?
Nina kake nendibuze ngequestekasi bodybuilding esinayo apha eDimbaza.
No. Okay, sorry. What? Sorry, but
It goes hand in hand with the men's mental health
Yeah.
because kuya-exercise kuyajinywa and we are grooming young men. But ke ayifani naleya kaSifiwe Mpondo. Bantu beformal bathi sibe ne-guest.
So like
Xa we are just making sure wonke umuntu ufit.
so apha like located P apha kanye eDimbaza. Like
Apha ko-12.
ko 12 umuntu interested ngafumana phi?
I can give you contacts to all responsible for the gym.
Oh, okay.
We'll put them on our description
Yes.
box.
I know futhi makuyo
Mr. Pringle.
yeah benza
Oh, Mr. Pringle.
Oh, bring it,
Papa?
basi.
Umhlanga. Yeah.
All right.
Oh, okay. I basically.
So nayo, I'm one of its founding
Oh,
members.
okay.
Kwestekas,
Yeah.
bodybuilding and lifestyle.
Yes.
Is it exclusively for men?
The resources in like, because it's not a big gym.
No, we're not, Nati, we're not expecting, but I'm just asking, is it only for the cheaters?
I think so, because if you are into lifting weights, because as soon as was a tonton. Yeah.
I didn't want.
kodwa nathi singazi
Never lift weights.
I always wanted to do bodybuilding, Shem. No, seriously,
Yeah.
like I have a thing for like bodybuilding. It's like, ooh,
Yeah.
sifuna unyusa
don't put my feet.
please
It played a huge role at Dimbaza. Sasibana shows Moses Twebe.
Yes.
Yeah,
The
I remember.
bodybuilders and everything. And so many people bakhona ngokuna bazi professional bodybuilders.
Yes.
Ababeqale pha. Enoba niyamazi up ko10 usiyabulela Vusani. Xa bizokuthiwa nguStitch. Stitch. Uhlala ko10. But usemdantsana but kokwabo kulapha ko10.
Oh, okay.
Uyi professional bodybuilder like winning competitions. Wayeqale apha eDimbaza kwi-Questekas. Yeah.
Aye, that's powerful.
Yeah.
That's powerful. That's powerful. Besingayazi.
Shoga, we're like
Hey, go.
dumbstruck, like, hey.
Hey. So like any last words? Ongathetha kwabantu ababukeleyo, abantu who support you and also abantu bakufumana phi in terms of social media.
social
I-brand yakho where is it located?
Okay. Brand yona, it's located in East London, Business Creations. But on social media, you can check out the Village Gallery.
Okay.
The Village Gallery. Yeah, everything is there. My contacts, my email, everything. Even the prices of the clothes, you can do corner. Yeah, and then get on social media. Pablo West, of course. There's only one Pablo West. I'll search abazovela abanye.
Yeah, otherwise,
Yeah.
it's time to close our episode, our lovely
Thank you.
episode. Hopefully,
Thank you.
umuntu ofundile kule episode. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to comment
down below.
Yeah.
Subscribe, like,
Yeah.
and turn on the notification bells
Yeah.
for more episodes.
Yeah.
Yes.
and also remember, pray, believe, and live. Dango, we are
And
out.
subscribe.
And subscribe, yeah.
like
Subscribe.
by force dala
Yeah.